Alright, let me paint a little picture and tell me if this sounds familiar. Whenever you play your music in your friend's car, do they start talking over it and change it to the newest Drake album? When you ask what they think, do they just say, wow, that was definitely, one of the songs of all time? Do they invite you to things anymore? Have you lost all your closest and most important relationships in your life since you started making music? You may have a mild to severe case of AAVS, annoying ass voice syndrome. AAVS is a problem so new that the Mayo Clinic doesn't even have it in its database yet. If you have been experiencing these symptoms, you may have an annoying ass voice and everything to live for, but that's what I'm here for. I'm gonna help you prove that you weren't a delusional person all along. You'll be able to shove your success in the faces of everyone who doubted you. You'll still be lonely as heck, but at least you'll have money. Today we're gonna go through the process of how to make your voice less annoying, or voice maxing. Since everything's like a maxing, this isn't how to improve your voice, it's how to max it. Closet, didn't you already make a video about this? The main point of that video was to just pretty much slap a band-aid on your vocals and call it a day. In this video, we're gonna try to get at the core issue. But before you get all giddy and excited and think that I'm gonna share the universe's secrets with you, I have no professional singing experience. I have had one total voice lesson. So if you take my advice, just know that I've never actually gotten real instruction from anyone. All the stuff I've learned pretty much just stemmed from whispering into my Apple earbuds on GarageBand. Alright, let's just get into the steps. Step 1, wake up. Why do I have this? Step 2, don't smoke. I already made a whole ass video about this where I pretty much explained nothing, but it's pretty clear, to be honest, why not to smoke. Oh well, vaping isn't bad for the vocal cords. There's no evidence. Look, I'm not saying you're gonna get smoker's voice from fucking vaping, but it will shorten your lung capacity, and having lower lung capacity is gonna make it harder to hit notes under any circumstance. I'm not saying that you have to go cold turkey, but at least try to avoid it while you're recording. It shouldn't be that important that you have to be smacking it during recording. Step 3, water. I'd recommend you get like a water purifier from Walmart, since sink water kind of sucks ass. And I honestly don't know if these things do anything, but the placebo works on me. So anyways, once you have your purifier, start drinking water in mass amounts. Drown yourself in water. Drink so much water that you have to piss every 5 minutes. Step 4. I don't know if this is cap, but I've heard that dairy products can be bad for your voice. So like stuff like chocolate and milk. But I don't know, my source on that is trust me, bro. Now that you got all that out of the way, we can finally start using those chords. But before we start singing for realsies, it's time to warm up. Warm up? What do you mean? The voice is like an instrument that needs to be practice. I only started doing this recently. If you've never heard of vocal warm-ups, I'm about to introduce you to a whole new world of cringe. There's a billion options. Personally, my favorite is this one by world-renowned YouTube content creator Christopher David Mitchell. I don't know if this is the best one, but it's the one I watch the most. I do have to say, it's not nearly degrading enough. He's really encouraging at times. I took the liberty of making a degrading version where he just insults you in between warm-ups. Awful. And I find this to be a lot easier to follow. It makes a lot more sense, and it feels a lot more real. You have an ugly face. So you're all warmed up, finally, ready to sing. Just a couple more silly tips before you start. When you are recording... Oh my god. Yo.
This is a prepaid call from... What am I supposed to be? An inmate at Metro Jail. All calls are subject to recording and monitoring. To accept this call, press 1. To decline this call, press 9.
Jesus Christ.
Thank you. Your call has been accepted. Yo.
Oh my god. This guy can't be serious.
Well, it doesn't fucking matter, alright? I just need to get out of here. Bail's only $1,000. It's really not that bad. You got
Oh
me,
my
right?
god, bro.
Whoa, what are you talking about? It's fucking fine. It's fine. It's not even that bad. It's been worse.
What are you talking? How the fuck did you... Wait, you're actually in jail?
Dude, where the fuck else would I be? Did you not hear, like, the whole fucking thing, bro? Oh, my asshole's already 2 fucking sizes big here. I've been here 2 nights. I can't do this shit anymore. I need to be bailed.
Dude, come on. I don't have that kind of money just on hand.
That's so fucking crap, guy. I know you make a bunch of money from your fucking gay little YouTube videos. I already know. It's gonna be fine. It's only $1,000. You got me.
Dude, what about your parents, bruh?
So my parents have already bailed me twice in the last 6 months, bro. They're gonna be pissed if I call them again. I can't, dude. I can't. It's gotta be you. I need you.
Dude, how the fuck do you keep getting in there?
Oh, it was just like, oh my god. It's not what you're thinking. It's not another fucking DUI. It's like one of the...
Thank God.
It's one of like the drug ones.
Oh my
I was on
God.
like 3 Xanax. Fucking... like whipping, obviously, and the officer just pulled me over and instantly toughed me up, like slammed me again. It was like police brutality, low key. Like that shit was fucked. Like honestly, I probably have a case against them, so all I need to do is like get bail, and then I'm gonna go chill.
What the fuck are you saying?
He probably has the cams of him like beating the shit out of me, so it's gonna be fine.
Do you have like a lawyer?
You got me or not, bro? The call's about to end.
Oh
Please.
my fucking God, bro.
Please, bro, please.
Jesus Christ. The performance. What are you gonna do? Well, first off, assess your beat. If you have a fucking soft-ass beat, don't yell on it. If you have a fucking hard-ass beat, don't whisper on it. It's pretty simple, just fucking match the tone of the beat. This is corny as fuck, but if you try to smile, when you're recording, your voice comes out a lot more. It, like, you can hear it. I don't know how to explain this, but you can hear the smile, and it boosts your confidence. Oh shit, almost forgot. Confidence. This is like the most important aspect. So let's say this, alright? Let's say we're looking at a graph with just 2 axes, all right? So if one line is confidence and the other line is like skill, you want to strike the motherfucking you want to make the boast. Oh my God, bro. What?
This is a prepaid call from... Please pick up, please pick up. I had to an inmate at County Metro Jail. Thank you. Your call has been accepted.
Bro, I just gotta know.
I'm coming! Jesus fucking Christ! You want to have the best of both worlds, but trust me, when you want to be more confident, even if you're a bad singer, because as we saw in my other video, that can be fixed. What can't be fixed is a lack of confidence. If you don't have that naturally, you're honestly gonna just have to develop it. I feel like a large part of what makes my vocals good on certain days... Oh wow, oh Jesus, I just splooged on my fucking monitor. God. Fucking peachy keen all over my... What was I talking about? Confidence. If I'm fitted out and my room is clean, my vocals are probably gonna be... If I'm having a shit day, it sounds forced. So I guess the bottom line is just be authentic, play to your strengths. Anyways, that's about it.